Whoa. What's up, guys? So we are installing this Reload Off-Road dome light, which I won in the giveaway on Instagram by TT Stormy. And this is from Reload Off-Road. So these are actually made quite well, and you can adjust them as well by loosening this thing off. And as you can see here, they swivel everywhere. And then you just go ahead and twist the back on and tighten it. But yeah, these are actually really decent and very simple to install. So let's go ahead and do that. And our tools I'm going to use is something like this that has a very sharp edge and then a flathead if I need it. But I might just need this instead. So very easy. So as you can see here, this is the old one. So let's go and remove this thing off. Let's see here. Maybe grab it from this edge. Yep, like that. And that thing comes off. Whoa, there's some spider webs in here. I drive this car and I've never knew there were spider webs in here. But let's go and get rid of those spider webs. So all we gotta do, I don't think we had to use any screws because this thing does have 2 holes, but I don't think we need to unscrew anything. So yeah, shoot. Shoot. Alright. Maybe I should have not done that. Yeah, the dome light broke. Just the fuse. Not the dome light, but the fuse broke. So I gotta switch that out now. But yeah, crazy. Take the bulb out. Just like that. Goes this way. Oh yeah, my bad. We gotta put this in first. Oof. Doesn't matter. I think it does. Shoot. Let's see here. This looks like it's positive and this looks like it's ground. So, like this. So, just to explain what kind of happened here. You gotta, this metal piece right here that can flex, you gotta push it a little bit to the back so that it bends a bit, and that way it can like go in straight. Otherwise you're just bending it and it looked like it was gonna break, but we got it in now. It's perfectly in there. All right, the light turns on now, but just make sure that the positive is closest to the switch and the negative is on the other side, or else it won't work. So there is a way to put this. That's why it didn't work the second time after I put the fuse. Okay, after some look around through the Instagram and YouTube videos, they obviously look different. But for the first gen specifically, these go on exactly on the old housing right here. So the only problem that I had to like put it in was just that the cablings had to be organized so that it wouldn't be in the way when you press down on it. And I kind of feel like it should be screwed on to this in case if you go really fast or something, it might fall off. Like, I don't know if it really is going to stay there because it just holds on to like some clips right here. Hopefully it does. I mean, this thing is a lot heavier than whatever was on here, the lens. So, we'll see. We'll see how it holds on. If anything, I'll just duct tape it if, it falls off. But hopefully everything stays on because this is actually really nice. So we'll go ahead and turn on the lights just so that you can see how this thing looks like. Alright, so on. Just going to adjust it out of the way. Oops. Tighten that thing. Alright. So we have different options for the controller. So we can turn it off. Even though this thing is on, we can always turn it off by pressing the circle. You can turn it on by pressing the single line. And there's obviously different modes. So you can choose red, green, blue, yellow, light blue, or purple. And there's different modes as well to this. So if I choose like mode, so there's actually so this is how it looks like. So mode positive, mode negative, negative speed or positive speed, demo, color plus, and negative. Also the brightness of it can be switched out. So let's go ahead and press mode. So this is like a chasing light. It just like quickly like lights up as a chaser. You can barely see it, but yeah. I press mode again. So first it switched colors. Now it's like moving through colors. This one is doing a different pattern of colors. This one kind of looks the same. Huh. Okay, so it looks like there's only like 5 options in here. Because now that we're going down, we can go to the previous ones that we just did. And that's pretty much it. Okay, so let's go ahead and speed. Speed, we can make it a lot slower. So as you can see here, it's going a lot smoother, changing colors. We go fast. It's switching colors faster. Demo just looks like it's just like a default speed. Yeah, because I keep clicking it, it stays like that. Color. So I clicked it once. So we can choose colors as well. Doesn't have to be the 6 that are right here. We can also change colors. So it has a different selection of colors. Different purples, white. Yeah, just like different colors. Sorry if my camera's going down. I'm using one hand to do this and another hand to do the other thing. And then, let's see here. There's an empty button right there. And it went to white. Oh, it's not empty. It's actually the color white. Oh my god, that's actually kind of smart. That got me confused. But yeah, it's pretty cool. We went through all of them. But yeah, honestly, I recommend this. You can use it as a chaser light or as a light to light up your cab. And they offer a different kinds of dome lights. Also, they have dome lights, but for like clamping onto like roller bars, like roll cages. So they got a lot of options. Check them out. I won a skid plate from them from Reload, and I liked it, but right now it's off because I had to cut off the skid plate frame, or like whatever goes across the front. So I can't install it until I install this bumper that I'm trying to put on. But yeah, highly recommend these. These are pretty cool. I think if you just get like a default one, they're like $50. And if you get like RGB, they're like 130. I'm not sure, but you gotta wait for like a sale for them to be on the discount. But definitely worth getting. I really like this. But yeah, it's really nice to win another giveaway of one of their products. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys like this. Like, subscribe, comment down below, and hope you guys have a good one. Peace.